Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on preventing signers from declining signature requests or saving in progress documents in BoldSign. The hide option to decline document feature in BoldSign is important, as it prevents signers from rejecting signature requests, ensuring a controlled signing process. This functionality proves particularly valuable when handling documents that demand a predetermined sequence of approvals. The feature enforces a one-way signing process, thereby upholding the integrity of the document workflow. The hide option to save document feature reinforces document security during signing by restricting the local saving of in-progress documents. It also promotes a more efficient process, necessitating signers to complete the session in one go, as unfinished changes cannot be saved. Let's consider a scenario in which a legal coordinator in a firm sends a highly confidential legal agreement to a client. The firm aims to ensure thorough and uninterrupted review during a single signing session. To achieve this, the legal coordinator must prevent the client from declining the agreement and saving the in-progress document during the signing process. This is where BoldSign's hide option to save document and hide option to decline document features come into play. Let me demonstrate how to set these features up. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I expand the settings menu. I choose the branding option to navigate to the Manage Brand page. I am going to use the already created Cube Flakes brand. If you don't have an existing brand, you can create one by clicking the Create New Brand button. I click the context menu and select Edit Brand to access the Edit Brand page. Next, I navigate to the Advanced section and scroll down to Hide option to decline document. To prevent recipients from declining documents, I'll activate this option. Next, I move to Hide option to save document. I'll enable this option to prevent recipients from saving in progress documents. I then save my changes. Whenever documents are sent using this Cube Flakes brand, recipients won't be able to decline or save in progress documents. In our example scenario, the legal coordinator needs to send a legal agreement form to a client for signature. To do this, I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the legal agreement form in the Add Files section. Next, I enter the client's details in the Add Recipient section. I scroll down to the document settings and select Cube Flakes as the brand. Once that's done, I click the Next button to guide me to the Configure Fields page. This is where I set up the form fields. I drag and drop the name and signature fields. I check my changes once and then send the document out for signature. Let's try switching to the client's side to see how this works. When I click the Review and Sign button in the signature request email, I am taken to the signing page. The name field is automatically populated. On this page, I click the More Actions button to see the drop-down menu. The decline and save options are not available, as they are hidden by the sender. This ensures the signer completes the document in a single session, as incomplete changes cannot be saved. The recipient also cannot decline the document. That's how hiding the decline and save options for recipients during the signing process in BoldSign works. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.